Quack, 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 quack.
Hello, I'm Jim.
And I'm not.
That'll do. Okay, so today we have a challenge for the two of us. I have played...
The police are here.
I've played rather more of this than Will. This is Besiege. It's in early access at the moment, and I think it's
played
great.
this for about 10 minutes.
I've played
Probably
rather more
less.
than that. So the competition here, going to start off easy, is to destroy these archers on this wall. I don't know if the stream is recording my cursor, but destroy those guys and destroy this house and this windmill.
Alright.
The actual level requires us to only destroy the windmill, but we're going to be brutal and kill them too.
Alright.
As I've played it before, I'm going to go first.
Jim's
and
going first.
You get extra points for being unnecessarily dramatic. Wooden pole? What's that for?
You've made a hammer on a balloon. Now swing it into the...
Ah! What the hell am I doing?
I have no idea.
I'm going to make a catapult.
Okay.
We start with the usual H formation. The last time I tried to make a catapult, I just created something that ripped itself apart in order to throw a catapult. But it did the job.
That's not an H.
That's not an H. I don't know why I call it an H. Small wheels. They're new.
Small wheels have been around for years.
They're almost as old as the wheel.
That was like the next day.
Oh.
Nope. Well, I mean, it catapulted a tiny bit.
Ah!
That just didn't do anything that time. It sort of works, but only if you want to kill something very, very close.
Like myself.
Yeah, it worked. Oh, it's more work. It's gonna go.
Oh, they've blown it up with their...
I think it's working, Jim.
I'm going for a flying machine.
You're not a right brother. You can't recreate flight.
My dad was an eagle.
What?
I know everything there is to know about flying.
Oh, that's so uneven.
I don't think it'll matter.
It matters to me.
I mean, I am losing out on the style points here. Yeah! Okay,
So long, bitches!
I've achieved hovering. Now I need to get this over to them.
You're definitely no right brother.
Don't be so mean.
More wings. Well, that didn't work.
I didn't expect immediate results.
You did a backflip.
Why is it... Ah, these weights are uneven.
You did a backflip.
Also,
I'd give that backflip a 10.
It's also, these are turning in the wrong way. What is this? Wait, it's sort of... No, it's not working. Well, I can fly! I attach a weight at the front to help make me go forwards, and then I detach said weight. Ah!
Well,
It's too heavy. Maybe the decoupler itself is...
did a thing. Well,
Okay, that's part of the way there. Boom. And then if this bit can have a bomb on it. Woo! Ah!
yeah, it did.
Making things that fly is so hard. No wonder it took humans so long. Will this type of wing make it go wrong? Ah! Oh!
Oh,
Oh!
oh. Put wings on the wings so you can fly while you're flying. Oh. Well,
Oh!
yeah, you did it.
We dropped the bomb from there. We have put flamethrowers underneath.
And on the back. And everywhere.
What's the flamethrower button? Wait, it's... So I need to get
I'm
myself...
starting to think this isn't very historically accurate.
Yeah, it's about people that destroyed themselves. They don't... There's
A
no
civilization that destroyed themselves so they were struck from the history books with that crazy machine.
there's no records of them anymore.
Well, that worked.
Oh! It doesn't
Yeah.
hold... It doesn't actually hold it.
I think more wings on the wings.
Brute force
Is that a
approach.
rocket?
It's a cannon.
Oh.
Oh. No. This is so hard to fly! Why did I make things so hard for myself?
Careful. Careful. Well, you killed the archers.
If they weren't shooting me...
Yeah, but they want to shoot you, Jim. Success!
They distort my vehicle's weight. Ah!
Is that an explosive in front of them?
Yeah.
Ah.
So if I...
Oh.
Also firing the cannon flips my vehicle. It's not that wrongly weighted. I didn't mean to fire that cannon. Whatever happens, they're not going to be repeatable results.
You did it, Jim. You finally did it. Yeah.
Oh, no. No, this is embarrassing.
You made a machine that can swim. Put a spring on it.
A pointless spring.
So it will bounce down like a bungee rope and explode on them.
Well, it's so close to perfect.
I think it looks pretty damn perfect already. Just needs more wings. Yeah!
Maybe this will work better than wings.
Oh, kinda. Just slow and steady. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. It's a ballast.
It's just like a heavy weight.
Ah.
Oh, that's not the decoupler button.
Do.
My aim is to drop this weight
On the bomb.
on the bomb.
And then smash into the windmill. Well, it worked. I'm proud of you.
If I can correct myself from this, then I can move around.
Oh god, look at that one just spinning. Why is it spinning? Oh, that is gonna destroy your weight. That is going straight to your thighs.
What have I done wrong?
I don't know.
That's not gonna work!
That is gonna tip straight over.
This is a really hard challenge.
A version of this, but the old Robot Wars show would be so cool.
But those robots weren't nonsense. They were proper
I know,
fighting
but it would
robots.
be funny. Bamzooki.
Bamzooki was real. Like the program was really oddly hard to use for
Yep. A
a
kid.
kid.
Every single Bamzooki I made was just like...
I just remember having trouble getting them to not walk backwards.
I had trouble getting them to walk.
I once met a guy who'd been on it.
Yeah?
He had the Bamzooki brick.
Oh!
This is insane.
Oh, okay.
Yeah! It's focusing on one of the bomb bots.
Da-da-da-da-da. You did it. Home run. Home run.
Fudge! Okay, there's a major problem in the design. I need to get it into the air quickly.
That is gonna drop like a brick. Like a Bamzooki brick.
Yeah.
Oh,
You can't hit me. Oh, crap.
No. I need dead.
I think this might be the closest I've come to making something that works. Wait. I need to kill these guys. If I
I
could.
don't need to kill these guys. Oh god.
So I've managed to get each bit individually. I need to get the perfect weight drop.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. No! Oh, that was so close.
Ah.
Okay.
Nope. You killed one of the archers. I think that's a success. Yeah.
Oh no! Wait.
They
Yes.
set it on
Yes.
fire.
Yes. It's gonna burn down.
Burn, baby.
Yes! I did it!
Yeah.